Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to invite friends in Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to invite friends into Monopoly Go, so let's just say you want to play with them, give them some rewards, well, inviting them is quite easy. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead over to your Monopoly Go game or account here. Now, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to progress the game enough so that the invite function or the friends function is enabled on you. But if you're already far enough on your board here or you've progressed the game enough, you should see the friends button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Let's go and just press or click on it. Now, from here, this is where you should be able to see all the people that basically invited you as a friend, and also you should see the invite button that you see at the bottom section of your screen. So if you click on the invite button, it should redirect you to the invite screen. Now it's going to give you the how it works section, so you can go and just ignore that. I'll be explaining everything for you in here. But yeah, so there are two ways of inviting people inside Monopoly Go. So you have the ordinary invite option, which is the orange button or yellow button you see at the center of the screen, and also the Facebook invite button. Now, if you choose the Facebook invite, you should be able to open up the Facebook app here and basically send a message or send an invite to a friend. So if you want to send this to your friend, just click on the send button. And basically, you're sending a link to them so that when they click on that link, they will be able to download the app and accept your invitation into Monopoly Go. Now, you could also do this for multiple people, but let's just go back to our previous screen here, Monopoly Go, and let's just see other options for us to invite people. Now, instead of pressing the invite or Facebook invite here, you also have the invite or the invite link option. So if you click on it, it should give you other options. The great thing about this one is if you click on the copy button here, you'll be able to copy the actual link itself. So if you click on it, as you can see, it's going to be copied into my clipboard, and you can just paste that in whichever app you want to share it. But if you click on invite and choose another app, let's just say like if you want to share this via email, or if you want to post this on Reddit, or even share this on other platforms, you can go and just select that in here as well, even on Discord if you want. But if you just want to get the actual link or the invite link for your account, you could just choose one of my favorites here. It's going to be the Notes app. Now, inside the Notes app here, you should be able to see the link. So you can just press and hold on it and copy it. And once you've done that, you can go and just open up whichever app that you want to share this with, and you should be able to invite people. Again, they just need to click on that link, and they should be able to join you inside Monopoly Go. Now, by the way, the great thing about this one is Monopoly Go actually rewards you if you successfully invited someone to join Monopoly Go, especially if they are a new player. Now, you'll be able to get a reward depending on the season, if I'm not mistaken. You'll be able to get certain rewards here, like dice, even tokens, depending on the season. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and share button, and watch our next video.